Hi, my name is Angie Carter and I am a developmental music therapist. Over the years, I've hung out with literally hundreds of 2-year-olds, and across the board, trucks. Hear a truck? Yell, truck! And run to the window. It's adorable. And I decided to write a song to appease to those wonderful truck-loving kiddos. This song has great language to go vroom, a very, very tricky sound, but especially the beep, beep, and work on our B's. I take plenty of pauses so that they can fill in the blanks, and running is wonderful, so have fun. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our trucks. 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 Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a dump truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's yellow. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our trucks. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our trucks. Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a garbage truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's green with a little bit of yellow. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our trucks. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a ice cream truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's white. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a semi-truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's black. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a pickup truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's blue. Here we go. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Off in the distance I hear a truck. It's a fire truck. What color is that truck? Oh, it's red. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's drive our truck. Vroom, vroom, beep, beep. Let's